Alfa Romeo Tonale introduces a new lineup strategy, making customer configuration even easier. Two trim levels are available: Super and T, both with clearly defined specifications that meet the needs of the most discerning customers. The Super trim, the gateway to the unique Alfa Romeo experience, can be customized with the Sprint Pack, which includes numerous options with a strong sporty connotation. Alternatively, the T trim, which enhances the Tonale's qualities of elegance and distinctive character, can be added to with the Veloce Pack, to reach the peak in terms of performance and sportiness. As standard, a brand new infotainment system also offers content, functionality and services that are always kept up to date, with a customizable Android operating system and 4G connectivity with over-the-air updates. This system includes a fully digital 12.3 screen, the main 10.25 touchscreen unit which, totaling 22.5, are the best in class in the segment. Alfa Romeo has entered into the age of electrification thanks to the state-of-the-art electrification system. An exclusive for Alfa Romeo, the 160 horsepower 48V Hybrid VGT variable geometry turbo engine is making its debut. The 1.5-liter gasoline engine with a variable geometry turbocharger is paired with 7-speed Alfa Romeo TCT dual-clutch transmission and the 48-volt 15kW and 55 Nm P2 electric motor, and is able to propel the wheels even when the internal combustion engine is turned off. Thanks to this technical feature, the Tonale offers an authentic electric experience. It even performs impressively. At 0 to 100 km/h the timer stops after 8.8 seconds and the maximum speed reaches over 210 km/h. It is also available in the 130 CV hybrid version with a 7-speed Alfa Romeo TCT dual-clutch transmission and the 48-volt P2 electric motor. In this case, the acceleration is 0 to 100 km/h in 9.9 seconds with a maximum speed of 195 km/h.